Hi everyone up there. Welcome to one of my other new video. Today I'm going to show it this light fixture, bypass the ballast, and I show it to LED lamp, install the LED lamp. I'm doing this on my work table. This is a little more easy to do it. The explanation is a little better. First we gotta disconnect all this wire nut. Separate the wire. I have short extension cord. It's a 14 gauge 3-wire extension cord. So we need one Romex connector. The connector like this. Strip the wire one end about a foot long, maybe 16-inch long. Then connect the connector end of this wire. Through the knockout. Lock nut. Lock it tight. Gotta strip the edge of the wire. Maybe 3/4 inch strip it. You can do that with the plier, or if you can do that, you gotta use a knife. Like plier is good for me. This is a bipin. So bipin sockets is at 2 wire as each socket. Then over here, 2 wire. Then there's a jumper going into the one socket to other socket. All 4 wire. Splice it together. This is a power line from the ceiling. Before you connecting power, make sure you go to your circuit breaker panel, kill the circuit. Make sure the power is off. Then black coming into the one end of the fixture. All the 4 wire are spliced together. I'll make a little extension. The white going into the other end of the fixture. The green wire, I put a little self-top screw on it, hook it into it. Make sure when you're winding up, this is clockwise. The direction is the light and the screw turn. That's all the wiring. This is the lamp I'm using it. T8 LED tube lights, 4 foot, 24 watt. It'll work 110 to 277 volt, 60 cycle. 6500K illumination. I'm going to remove that fixture, replace it. That's a single pin F48 lamp. Plug in, let's see its work. Voila! That's a converted LED light fixture. Thank you for watching.